Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of me changing my life in 3 months. Remember guys, we are changing our lives in 3 months. So we have 3 months to drastically change our lives. So let's get straight into the video. First things first, I went to Mr. Price to find me a planner. So let me tell you guys a backstory, right? Every year since 2021, I've always had a daily planner, and I've bought my planner from Typo. So all these years I've been buying my planners from Typo because they're so pretty, guys. You know, like when you go to Typo, you'll just be met with all these beautiful planners. The designs of the planners, the colors, everything is just beautiful. So I've always bought my planners at Typo, right? And we know it costs a lot of money. So this year I decided that I'm gonna cut down on the amount of money I spend on a planner, because when I look back at all my planners, I don't use them consistently throughout the year. So usually I would use my planners consistently from January probably until March. Maybe for the first 3 months I would use a planner consistently, but you know, when we get to like the second half of the year, I no longer use my planner. I just realized that honestly I'm just wasting money. Okay, so I came across this video on TikTok and I saw this girl that she got her planner from Mr. Price. So I went on the hunt. Guys, I went to 4 malls to actually get this planner. I went to the Grove Mall, I went to Silver Mall, I went to this other mall in Hatfield, I don't know what it's called, and then I ended up going to Main Lane. I guess I should have went to Main Lane from the first place, because like that's my mall, okay? I don't know why I doubted it. But anyways, we got the planner, we got the goods. Guys, are you ready to see her? I'm so excited. This is her. As you see how pretty she is. Like, this is such a pretty planner. And check the price. Check the price, guys. This was literally 70 rands. 70. And she's so pretty. Let's open her up. She is so pretty. I don't know why my ASMR is so violent. Guys, I'm too excited that I spent 70 rands and I got such a beaut. Like, such a beaut. She's like pink, purple, blue. This is so beautiful. This is her. She's so beautiful. And we open her up. Look at that. Look at that. So also, how cute. She is so cute. Guys, look at the pastels. Look at the pastel colors. Do you all see the pastels? She is eating. She is eating. So I ended up getting this bag. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she pretty? Like, she is so pretty. And I like how structured she is. Like, she is so structured. I really like her. So yeah, I bought this for work. It has like the thingies to hold it, and then it also has the thingy like you can adjust it for shoulder vibes. This is the price. Literally it was 199, 200 rands, and I love her. Right now we're gonna get to the second segment of this video where I'll be doing my vision board with you guys. So I'll show you guys the ideas that I got of my vision board, and let's get straight into it. You should act as your future self now in order to become her. This means visualizing the kind of person you want to be and then taking action to become that person. This can mean setting goals and working towards them, surrounding yourself with positive people, and continuously learning and growing. Set goals and create an action plan. The first step to leveling up your life
is to set specific and measurable goals for yourself. This means deciding exactly what you want to achieve and how are you going to get there. By having a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you'll be able to stay focused and motivated as you work towards your goals. Focus on the good. Focus on small moments when things go your way. Your taxi was right on time. You received a reply to your email. Look at you go, lucky girl. By noticing these things, your brain learns from experiences and you will start subconsciously believing that things do go your way. And with that belief, your brain is going to start seeking out more of those moments and you will be more likely to notice opportunities. It's important to understand the cue, action, and reward model. When you're learning about habits, for instance, your cue might be waking up hungry in the morning, just like me, like every morning. I wake up hungry. And your action could be making yourself a nice breakfast. The reward is a feeling of, being energized. Once you have identified these three elements in any habit that you're trying to build, the cue, action, and reward element, you can make it part of your routine by performing the action in response to the cue and then rewarding yourself.
The rain is jealous. Yeah. And this park is so beautiful. I just wanted to chill and relax and enjoy the vibes.
Of course, but I'm just talking about the rats, okay? And it's good. Did he write it? I don't know, but assuming that he did write it.
One of the best ways to form new habits is by changing your identity. You can do this by refraining your mindset from the I am trying to build a habit mentality to the I am the kind of person who has those habits. Have you all heard of the saying, fake it until you make it? AKA the law of assumption. If you already assume the thoughts and actions of the version of yourself that already has what you desire and you embody that version of yourself, your mind will create this reality for you. Your brain literally looks for ways to prove your thoughts to be true. Deeply feel how it would feel to have all these things you desire in your life already and watch the magic happen.
Hey guys, so these are the things that you're going to need for your vision board / prayer board. You need a cork board. So my board is from Pep Home. Got it at Pep Home. And then I'm obviously gonna use a scissor. I'm gonna use a glue. I'm also going to use like writing tools. I have a marker, a highlighter, and a pen just to write down like things I want to add. And then also going to need some pins to pin your things. I also use a stapler. I just don't have it here at the moment, but I also use a stapler to stick everything. And then you're gonna need envelopes for your prayers. So basically my envelopes, I DIY'd them. Just take a plain blank paper and then you fold it to make an envelope. So these are my envelopes, right? I have self, family, finances, work, and also my answered prayers. So these are the prayer points which will be on my board. And then obviously you also need your printed pictures. I have a lot of pictures that I printed, but I'm not going to show my vision board, like my pictures, obviously. And then also have some that I actually just wrote down for myself. These are like my favorite verses for my prayer board. I have some affirmations, just things that I'm gonna add on my prayer board, right? So yeah, this is it, guys. So this is everything that you need. It's not really a lot, but this is what you need. And you're obviously gonna need your Bible for references, for referencing some verses that you want to add onto your prayer board. And yeah, that's about it. Let's start working. Let's get to making this vision board, prayer board. Let's get into it. So I'm a very visual person, so I like to see things. You know, my brain works better when it actually sees things. So that's why I'm actually doing a prayer board slash vision board instead of just doing a vision board alone or just doing a prayer board alone. So obviously we plan, but God decides, right? So I have my plans, I have things that I want to see like happen in my life, my goals and all of that. So that would be like the vision board side. But since I'm a Christian girl, I believe in God and I trust that God is the one who decides. So I'm doing a vision board slash prayer board because I'm gonna pray for my goals and all of that, you know, as Christian girl thing vibes. So yeah, I'm just incorporating my vision board with my prayer board because I believe that God is the one who ultimately decides. Obviously, I need to put in the work and work towards my goals. And obviously, if you don't plan, you plan to fail. So I'm gonna plan and I'm gonna work and God is gonna meet me halfway, or I'm gonna meet him because he already has done the work. So